Hey everybody, how's it going? Cooking Sons Carpentry here. Another video, quick video for you guys. This one was actually a video that was requested for me to do, so it's kind of cool. Believe it or not, I actually do videos for you guys. This one is on bath fan switches. So a lot of people use their bath fan when they're taking a shower, or they make a massive turd and they turn it on and then leave the room. Well, you leave it on, you leave the room, you forget about it. And it is an electrical motor that is running in your ceiling. Like most people, say all people, even probably me people, yeah, there's dust in the duct. So the dust accumulates over time and that motor gets warm if you leave it on all day, and it gets hot and it catches fire. So this switch solves the problem of turning it on, walking out of the room, forgetting about it, and potentially having a fire in your house. So it's just a switch that you can get on Amazon. I got two of them. They're about $20 a piece, and they wire up just like any of these. So it's got 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15, 20, 30, as you can see, and you just press that and it goes on. And then, so you can do all these different times, but if you want it to turn it off, you just hit the big button. And if you want it to turn on and just stay on permanently, you just turn it on and hold it. See, now all the timer's off, but it's still on. That's it. And $20 for two of these, or $20 each. And I got two of these. A little bit of insurance paying for itself, so that we don't have any attic fires due to us leaving the bath fan on all day. And I'll post a link in the description for the switch so that you guys can order them on Amazon just like I did. Make your life easy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time.